Hello students, today we will read page 84 of class 8th chapter 7 understanding marginalization. So today's the topic is Adivasis and stereotyping. In India we usually showcase Adivasi communities in particular ways. Thus, during school functions or other official events or in books and movies, Adivasis are invariably portrayed in very stereotypical ways in colorful costumes, headgears, and through their dancing besides and through their dancing. Besides this, we seem to know very little about the realities of their lives. This often wrongly lead to people believing that they are exotic, primitive, and backward. Often, Adivasis are blamed for their lack of advancement as they are believed to be resistant to change or new ideas. You will remember that you read in class 6th book that how stereotyping particular communities can lead to people discriminating against such groups. What does stereotyping means? आदिवासी और रूढ़िवादी धारणाएं। रूढ़िबद्ध धारणाएं, स्टीरियोटाइपिंग को क्या कहते हैं? रूढ़िबद्ध। क्या होता है? किसी समुदाय के बारे में बिना सही जानकारी के बनी हुई गलत और सीमित सोच को हम स्टीरियोटाइप रूढ़िबद्ध धारणा कहते हैं। भारत में आदिवासी समुदाय को अक्सर एक ही तरह से दिखाया जाता है। स्कूल कार्यक्रमों, किताबों, फिल्मों या सरकारी आयोजनों में उन्हें रंग बिरंगे कपड़ों में पारंपरिक नृत्य करते हुए दिखाया जाता है। इससे लोगों में उनके वास्तविक जीवन, समुदाय और योगदान के बारे में बहुत कम जानकारी मिलती है। परिणाम स्वरूप लोग गलत रूप से सोचने लगते हैं कि आदिवासी अलग थलग एक्सोटिक हैं। अलग थलग मतलब एक्सोटिक हैं, पिछड़े हैं। आदिम मतलब प्रिमिटिव हैं। कुछ लोग यह भी मान लेते हैं कि आदिवासी बदलाव या विकास नहीं चाहते, जो कि पूरी तरह गलत है। ऐसी सोच से भेदभाव पैदा होता है। तो आदिवासी समाज समृद्ध संस्कृति, ज्ञान और इतिहास वाला समाज है। तो आई हैव मेड नोट्स फॉर दिस स्टीरियोटाइपिंग। सी Adivasi stereotyping and development. What is stereotyping? Stereotyping means having a fixed and oversimplified idea about a group of people without really knowing them. Then, for explanation, in India, Adivasi communities are often shown only in particular way. In school functions, books, movies, or official events, Adivasi are usually shown wearing colorful traditional clothes, headgear, and dancing. Because of this limited representation, people do not learn about their real lives, problems, or contribution. This creates a wrong image that Adivasi are exotic, primitive, backward. People sometimes wrongly believe that Adivasi do not want progress or change. Such thinking is incorrect and unfair. Stereotyping can lead to discrimination, which means treating a group badly just because of such false idea. Important message: Adivasi are not backward. They have rich culture, knowledge, language, and history. So we have understand today stereotyping. Adivasi and stereotyping.